Hello everybody, thank you for being again here. I'm going to explain you today a very quick makeup, and this is going to be like between 5 minutes more or less. It's the one that you can do it every single day. Imagine that you have a very rushy morning and you wake up very late and you want to look nice at work or at school maybe. So I invite you to see this makeup tutorial for 5 minutes. Yes, well, come on, let's get started because it's 5 minutes more or less. I don't have a BB cream, so I'm going to mix my cream with my makeup. Okay, this is a drugstore makeup. I always use for my daily life. I always use daily routine. I use a drugstore makeup because, you know, bougie makeup is very expensive. So I only use it at the weekends. So let's see. I'm going to mix it with the cream on the back of my hand, okay? Only a bit. That will do my makeup to be lighter. But before that, I'm going to apply a little bit of thermal water. This is restoring, okay? Let's wait a bit. Mixing my makeup with the cream, and I'm going to apply it. You know, this makeup is very good to mix it. So let's buffing it. I'm using a Real Techniques brush, sculpting brush, because for me it's easier to use the brush rather than use the beauty blender, although I use all of them. I don't know if you have seen that I dyed my eyebrows, because my eyebrows are very poor and very light, and also I have dyed my eyelashes. In the future, I'm going to do a tutorial which will explain how to do it at home, of course. Dye my hair at home as well. And one day I'm going to do a tutorial about it. Blend it. Wait a bit. Now it's better. I forgot my concealer. I already have it. Wait a second, I'm going to use a brush. The same one, okay? Sometimes when you use a different color of concealer, and it's very big the difference between your makeup and the concealer, you can use the same brush and you can mix the color inside. Here in this part of my face I don't use a lot of makeup, because if I'm going to wear a mask, you know, it's going to be rubbed off. Good. Now I'm going to use a bit of bronzer. Yes, but only a bit, okay? I don't have a lot of time in the mornings to use the bronzer, but if I have, I use it, but only to warm up my skin a bit, you know. A blush, my god, I'm a bit nervous because I don't know how long it will be. Yes, I'm going to use this brush for my blush. On the top. Oh my god, there's a fly in the room. And I have a small trick. I'm going to use the blush here, because today I'm not going to wear any eyeshadow, but to warm up my face I'm going to use the blush. Can you see the difference? Very nice. And of course, don't forget about the highlighter. The highlighter on the high points of my cheeks. A bit here. And I'm going to use a little bit of mascara, because when you dye your eyelashes, they look like you have mascara on. Now they will be fuller. A bit of powder. To set my makeup, but only in the middle and here a bit. So I have finished. This is the final result. I am very happy with it. I think I've done it between it's more or less 5-6 minutes, more or less. Guys, thank you so much for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like button. As well, I wanted to tell you that I appreciate because you have seen my first video and you gave me a like, and you can find me on my social media. For me, it's very important to have a positive feedback. And yes, this is all for today. I hope you have enjoyed the video and have a very wonderful day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.